Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Yolan, but if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl. So for today, as you can tell by the title, we are installing a unit. It is from Amazon, and I will have everything linked down below in the description box for you. So just in case if you wanted to purchase it, you will have the same hair that I have right here. And it is a gorgeous unit by Sensational. It is their Butter Lace number 3, and I have it in a number 1B. It's this unit right here if you need reference. And it comes in multiple colors, which is wonderful. So if you don't want to go with black, you can choose other colors from their line. So I have the hair here. It's a really good curl pattern. So this is how the hair look in the inside. It has the lace in the front, and then it's just a T part in the middle. There's not really that much parting space, and you can only wear it this way. It has the 2 combs in the front, and then a comb in the back. So this is what the lace look like. And this is the front. It has a little bit of baby hair already cut for it. So it's like this with the little baby hair. It's not that much, which is really nice. If you are a beginner, this is a nice beginner wig. It comes with the baby hair for you, so that way you don't have to do too much. You can just put it on, and then cut it. And then you're ready for your install. But I'm just gonna move my wig cap back a little bit. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty long, and it is big head friendly. So it fits my head really, really nice. It's not like the last wig I installed. So it fits my head perfectly. So let's get started on this install. So we're just gonna put it, you gotta make sure the ends are above your, you just gotta make sure the ends are above your ear, and that it's comfortable and that it's centered. And then we're just gonna, I think this time I'm actually just gonna cut it and then I'll spray it. Last time when I did an install, I sprayed it first and then I cut it. But this time I'm just gonna show you, even if you don't have the wig on your head, you can always cut it before you put it on. It all depends on your preference. You can spray it first or cut it first. But for this time, I think I'm gonna just cut it. And to cut it, I like to cut in sections. So I like to do 3 sections. You know, cut right here. Be careful with the baby hair. If you do have clips, you can use them to secure the hair. But for this one, I'm not gonna use any clip. I'm just gonna cut. I lied. I actually went and got the clip. It's gonna make it so much easier for me to cut. So I just went and got the clip. Just gotta try to make sure you get all the baby hair out of the way so you can just cut away. And if you cut a little bit of the hair, it's okay. Don't worry about it. And if you're someone who is going to wear the hair like back, you could plug a few hair just to make it look more realistic, but I'm only gonna keep it down the way it is, the way it comes. I don't plan on putting it back or having the side show. So that's the only reason I really don't care about the way I cut it, because nobody's really gonna see this, and I don't really need it to look like it's not a wig. So that's the only reason I really don't care how I'm cutting it. And honestly, the way this hair it feels nice to the point like you don't even need to glue anything down. You could literally keep it and it becomes like a glueless wig. But if you want an extra security, you can do the glue or the even spray, I should say. I'm gonna cut more of this off. But let me just cut the other side. I just want to finish this side first, and then I'll do all the finishing touches when it comes to cutting. So just pull the hairs back out of the way, and then you can start to cut. So I finished cutting it. Like I said, you could literally leave it like this, fix the parting with some foundation or concealer depending on your preference. But I'm just gonna use a little bit of powder that I have on my brush from doing my makeup earlier. I'll just put it on it and then use the spray. Like I said, you can use the spray or leave it. So I'm gonna use the Even Lace spray just to spray the perimeter of my hair. I mean on my I'm just gonna spray it a little bit in the front just to secure. All you have to do is just really lift it up, spray, and then put it down. Make sure you have a comb just to like press it in, and keep spraying until you finish the perimeter of the front of your hair. So this is what we're working with so far. I'm just gonna pull a little bit of the baby hair that was on the wig. I'm trying to figure out if I want baby hair starting right here or just on the side. The hair has a beautiful curl, but the curls are a little too tight for me. So I'm just gonna lightly run my finger through it so I can make the hair a little bit more fuller. There's nothing wrong with it. If you want it to be this, if you want it to look like this, you can. I'm gonna show you how long the hair is. So it comes to basically butt length for me. So, and I'm 5'6", so it's pretty long. I'm just gonna run my finger through it so I could loosen up the curls. I don't want to do it too much because then I don't want the hair to look too, I don't want the curls to come out too much. I just want to do it lightly just to make it a little bit fuller. I don't want the hair to look tangled or anything like that. So I'm just going to run my finger through it just a little bit. I am getting some shedding. So it is shedding a little bit. And I didn't do anything except for cutting the lace. So when I run my finger through it, it sheds a little bit. But it's not too much. And even though it's curly hair and I'm running my hand through it, it's not getting tangled or anything. So it goes through pretty easily. Again, I'm getting some shedding, which is expected for the hair. I really love the curl pattern. I'm gonna get up and show you guys what it looks like in the back and how long it truly is. But I just wanted you guys to see it right now. But this is it. So I started adding a little bit of concealer to the middle. So that way it can blend and not look as ashy as it did before. And just a little bit, you don't need too much. And again, I'm using concealer, but you can always use foundation, a powder, whatever's like the closest color to your skin. I know this one looks a little bit lighter than me, but I don't mind this color. Bit of the edge control that I have, and you know, my edge brush just to swoop a little bit of baby hair right here. Again, just a little bit, not too much. Even this one, I feel like it's too much right here. So that's basically it. I'm gonna show you guys the back, what it looks like, and that's it for our install. It's something about the way you stare into my Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you know anybody that wants to learn how to wear a wig or how to install wig, send this video to them. And if you are interested in this beautiful unit right here, don't forget to check the description box and you can go and purchase it. It is from Amazon, but you can probably find it at your local beauty supply store. But it's easy for you to find with the link below. Thank you guys for watching this video. And again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the family.